called birds of Chicago, but I'm Canadian, so I'm an imposter bird. He's really from Chicago. I was born and raised in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. And we've been touring around about 250 days of the year, kind of all over North America and parts of Europe. And for the last, I guess this band started just about 5 years ago. So we've been on the road pretty steadily since then, but New Mexico has come to feel like a second home because of our friends Rick and Gail Toller, and they've given us so many opportunities to kind of feel a bit more like a part of a real community and family here. And we're really grateful for that, and really grateful to be here with all of you this week too. So
we're actually, what we are is terrified.
That too. It's very intimidating.
For a bunch of cool young people, and I just need to get this out there. There's a lot of troubled emotions for me because the last time that I performed in a school gym like this was many, many, many years ago when I was about your age, some of your age, and my breakdancing troupe was in the school talent contest, and
they were called Floor Patrol.
We patrolled the floor, that's why we call ourselves that. You don't see me for a breakdancer? You don't think I got it? I can show you some things. But the point is, we lost. We lost to a girl, Gail Nickel, who had worked out a little dance routine choreographed with her golden retriever. It was really cute, but I don't think it was on our level, and it still hurts. So hopefully we can build up some new good vibes for me personally about playing in the gym. But I just want to give you a little background and be a little more gentle than you might usually be. You want to do all right, all right?
This is a new song that JT wrote recently, and it's basically, sometimes, people will often say things like, write what you know, and that's a great thing to do, but sometimes you write the opposite of how you're feeling in order to feel better. And I think
it's a nice trick.
He wrote this song when we were feeling a little bit terrified, and it made us feel better. So it's called All Right, All Right.
Yeah, it's a nice trick about any creative writing. If you wake up feeling like hopeless, like the world is just too much, and we all wake up feeling that way, you can write a song of hope. And the amazing thing is, you might feel a little more hopeful at the end of it. And I know I did after this one. And this song in particular, you may be somewhat aware that the adults in your country are a little mixed up right now, and maybe trying to mess up some things for you, but I have a lot of faith in this generation, so the song is about having faith in you guys to clean up our messes. It's called All Right, All Right.
In your funhouse mirror, this is just a sign for I and flow. Are you tired dreamers in the bloodshot arms? Never ever more, said the raven. The phoenix said, man, give it one more try. Shadow, recognize shadow. Light better recognize love. We're all right, yeah, we're all right. The kids are all Nevermore, said the raven, the phoenix in man, give it one more try. Shadow, recognize shadow, like men recognize them. And we're alright, yeah, we're alright. The kids are alright, yeah, they're alright. Hey, mama, hey, pop, get your mind right, 'cause we're alright, we're alright. Same as it was, same as it was. No new enemy under the sun. Oh, let 'em come, oh, let 'em come. Yeah, they're gonna run when they see the love in our eyes. Ooh.
Thank you, guys. I want to say one thing about this week.